How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove plate from the Bambu Lab P2S. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your printer is turned off in order to do this safely. And then right after, you want to open up your printer by pressing this simple lock mechanism. Now, right after that, it will then simply look something like this. So in order to open it, it's really tricky if you're doing this for the first time, but basically the plate right here is only held by magnets onto the actual bed. So to remove it, you have this overlap shape right here. You just want to go ahead and use two of your hands in order to lift this up, and from there it will deattach from the magnet onto the sides. And if you continue lifting it up, it will also go ahead and disconnect it onto the other corner. And so that's how you remove the plate from Bambu Lab P2S. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.